Hello everyone, welcome to Botany Insider. So, as you all have your examination tomorrow, that is of the DBT BET 2021. So, I just wanted to wish you all the very best for your examination. Just give your best shot in the examination. Do not feel stressed about anything. Just be confident, without stress, without any tension. Give your best shot in this particular examination. I know you all can do it. You have studied enough. Do not take burden of कि exam कैसा आएगा, what your result would be. Just do not think about any of this. Just give your best shot in this particular examination, because this is what you have in your hand at this particular time. So I just wanted to wish you all the very best for this particular examination. My best wishes are with you all the best. Give your best shot, and also do not feel tense, do not feel stressed, do not think about कि कितना पढ़ा है कितना नहीं पढ़ा. Now it's the time for application. Just give your best shot. Use all the tricks that you know of the elimination method or any other trick that you know for the examination. Try to solve each of the question with all the tricks that you know. Do not forget about the elimination method. That is, you should always remember that if you do not know the answer of any question, try to use the elimination method. Try to have a different perspective for the question. Try to search out which is the odd one out option, and then try to solve that particular question. For sure you'll be able to solve that particular question. Next important thing to remember is that try to minimize your negative. Do not have the point in mind कि question को हमें गलत करना है. Point is to get maximum positives. अगर कोई question नहीं आता, best recommendation is try to leave that question instead of getting 1 mark negative. Best point is try to leave that question and go ahead. And third point is plan your 3 hours. Do not go into the examination before planning. Plan out your 3 hours in the best manner possible. This is very important. I have also made a video regarding the 3-hour planning. If you want, you can watch that also. I'll provide the link of that particular video in the description box, so you can check it out. And if not, if you have your own planning, no issues, use your own plan, but make a plan beforehand itself. Do not think about कि एग्ज़ाम में हम मैनेज कर लेंगे. एग्ज़ाम के अंदर it is very stressful condition and you have to manage many things. So it's very important for you कि आपके माइंड में वो 180 minutes का गेम प्लान रेडी हो. You have that particular strategy ready in your mind that yes, okay, 3 hours हमारे पास हैं. How will I be using those 3 hours? What are the main criterias I would be following? And also पहला कौन सा पार्ट होगा एंड उसके बाद हम कौन सा पार्ट करेंगे, ये सब कुछ पहले डिसाइड करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. एंड फॉर दैट मैटर यू नीड टू हैव द प्लानिंग ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर 3 hours in your hand, and for that you need to have 3 hours planning in your mind. So it is very important. Do not forget to plan your 3 hours. Use the video link given in the description box and check out that if you are having any difficulty in planning out, you can use that particular plan. So this was all I wanted to share. All the best everyone. Give your best shot. My best wishes are with you. You can do it, and just get the opportunity of cracking this examination in this attempt itself. So all the best everyone, and give your best shot. Bye. Take care.